Hey, what's going on, guys? So welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're gonna do something a little bit different. So we're actually gonna test out if $20 side markers are actually gonna be worth it. So I really just wanted to try something really cheap for this video. So we're gonna go get a few more things and then we're gonna head on our way there. So this is something I actually didn't even really care about modifying, but it's just the little things that really make the details. So this is actually the side marker lights for all of the Civic hatchbacks and Civic Type Rs. So they make a clear version that's only like $20. So we're gonna be swapping these on today. So the driver's side is actually gonna be fairly simple. We're gonna raise the hood up. And the only thing you're gonna have to do is literally grab a flathead. There's gonna be a little clip down by the side marker that I'll put a clip and show you guys. And all you guys have to do too is flip the switch bulb to the left and it's gonna come right out. Boom, that easy. So the kit actually comes with its own LED bulbs you guys can put in itself, but for the price of only being $20, I'd rather just go to your local auto parts store and just get replacement bulbs. And just for the sense of being that I don't have to pull these out twice. So this is going to be the difference between the driver's side marker. And so we're going to go from the orange and just go to the clears for a slightly cleaner look. So I don't know why I have to mention this, but LEDs, they do have polarities within the bulb. So if you do have it flipped on the wrong side, it will actually not light up for you. So we can just pop this one out and turn on the headlight to make sure that we're going to have the right amount of power going through on the right side. And this is going to be the difference with the new LED light we have to put in too. So it's going to be nicer and brighter, and it's going to be clear too. So best of both worlds. So after putting the new bulb in, it's going to be a little dirty around here just from the 25,000 miles of use this has been through. So I'm going to clean these up and then we'll pop in the new side markers.
Grimy ass boy.
Yo, chill! Twist. Damn. So the passenger side is going to be slightly more difficult than doing the driver's side. So we're not going to be going through the fender. What we're going to have to do is we're going to have to remove. We're going to have two Phillips head that's holding in the fender liner. We're going to have to pull back. And then, like I said, there's going to be that little tab we're going to have to push to be able to remove these side markers. Would be turning it that way. If I can get this in. Holy fuck, this is tight. Oh, okay, that easy. And then you just put everything back and you have your $20 side markers installed from Amazon. So we just finished installing the side markers. So over the course of the review, were the $20 Amazon side markers worth it? For me, I personally didn't really care about modifying the side markers. So the little $20 things was more of attention to detail thing. But the passenger side, I did have a problem finagling it a little bit with just removing the bulb. But overall, I'd say $20 is not a bad price point for buying clear side markers for your Type R or your FK7 hatchback. So originally, if I was gonna go buy some aftermarket side markers, I really wanted the OEM JDM like clear side markers that Honda provides. But the $20 comparison versus the $160, $180 JDM OEM ones, that I kind of just had to get these as a no-brainer. They fit very well, so the value is very well put for the money spent.